And then hepatitis B is sexually transmitted. There's no reason to give a baby that's almost just born hepatitis B. So I would say wait till the baby is 12 years old and formed and take hepatitis B. And I think if you do those things, it's going to be a whole difference. They pump so much stuff into those beautiful little babies. It's a disgrace. You have a little child, little fragile child, and you get a vat of 80 different vaccines, I guess, 80 different blends, and they pump it in.
Okay, that's President Trump. Here's the story. Tomorrow, the CDC's Vaccine Advisory Panel is likely to announce a change to the childhood vaccine schedule that includes how babies are vaccinated against hepatitis B and how pediatricians inoculate children against more than a dozen other things. So the question is, will that Hep B virus vaccine go away for children and babies? Let's welcome to the show the Chief Scientific Officer for the Wellness Company. Okay, he's internist and cardiologist, Dr. Peter McCullough. Doctor, is this a good move? Because doctors are saying they've seen more than a 95% drop in hepatitis B transmission from mother to baby from this vaccine and immunoprophylaxis for babies. You know, there's something like 20,000 to 25,000 mothers have Hep B when they give birth. What do you think of what's going on?
This is the right direction to lessen the burden of vaccines on neonates and babies. Of 3.6 million live births per year, only 25,000, the mothers have hepatitis B, and it's detected by universal screening. For the rest of the babies, it's unnecessary. So this is the right move.
So you say to the 25,000 pregnant women with Hep B, you should get the virus for vaccine for your child. Is that it?
That's right, and it's very effective, as you pointed out.
All right, let's take a listen to FDA Chief Dr. Marty Makary on this earlier today. Watch.
If the mom is Hep B negative, which is the vast majority of women who deliver babies in the United States today, and they want to delay it until the kid is 8 or 10 or 12, let's be honest, hepatitis B is a sexually transmitted and bloodborne pathogen. There's essentially no risk of them getting it before then. So doctors have moved to a nuanced approach. It'll be interesting to see what the discussion is at ACIP.
You know, what do you think of what Dr. Makary just said?
He's right. You know, I'm a doctor. I took the hepatitis B vaccine as I entered medical school. I think when the people enter a risk zone, sexual contact, or those who are first responders, doctors and nurses, they should take it as an adult. Vaccines are far safer when they're given later in life.
So how many vaccines are given to babies now? We saw anywhere from 7, 8, 10, 12, depending on the hospital. What are you saying?
Well, in the hospital period of delivery, it's just the hepatitis B vaccine. But very quickly, you know, at a well baby visit, the vaccines begin to mount. And before the age of 2, it's about 3 dozen, different vaccines given in combinations. Many are concerned it's too much, could be related to problems later on. And again, getting past a critical period of neurologic and immunologic development, age 4 and beyond, vaccines are much safer.
Okay, so this means you got to really research it, Dr. McCullough, right? And check with your doctors on what's appropriate for your child. I think that's your story. Final word.
That's right. A healthy child born today, and many parents choose this option, will remain healthier if they go completely unvaccinated.
Interesting. Dr. McCullough, thank you.